Good day to all. Again on Praj Industries. We knew that stock market is going to be corrected at any point of time. Now it is corrected. However, we are not so sure the correction is completed and the trend will be reversed, or this correction will continue in the coming weeks as well. The global cues and the scenarios are not so good. The correction can continue, or if FII stop selling, the trend will reverse. Now, as a small retail investor, what we will do in these cases, our gainings will erode in such corrections. There are so many different ways. One different way is diversification. When I say diversification, I didn't mean to invest in too many companies. If you have 1 lakh rupees and you invest in 20 companies, it is as good as not investing and putting in the bank because it doesn't give you any return. And instead, if you have 10,000 rupees or if you have 1 lakh rupees, invest just in three or four companies, but in different segments or in different industries. That's what I meant. So in the last correction, IT stocks took a big hit. It's not because they are fundamentally bad or something or some other reasons, nothing at all. Totally external to India, completely the inflated stocks in the Nasdaq exchange. So that took a hit. Here, IT stocks also took a hit, even though the results of all these IT companies are good. But as a retail investors, we also took the hit. So this is the right time. We need to think of diversifying our portfolios to different industries. So one such company is Praj Industries. Please note that this is not a recommendation for buying or selling of the stocks. This is just for education purpose. Let us look at Praj Industries in detail. Praj Industries is in the ethanol business segment. We know ethanol business is going to go up as ethanol percentage in our commercial vehicle, vehicle fuel is going to go up and the ethanol production will be up. But this is Praj is not a sugar company which produces ethanol. It is a company which supplies the services and equipments to these ethanol producing companies. Now it expanded its profiles to environment, energy, and agri-process industry. The thing is that there is no even proper competitor for Praj in India, and its customers are worldwide. It's a kind of a monopoly company. So you got the point, right? Now let's look into key financial indicators. The stock P is 56 and the current value is 414. It's very clear it's not cheap. It was cheap a month before when it was trading at 308 or 10. Now it took a rally and now it is 414. In my understanding, the current price is also not cheap. In a period of 6 months to 1 year, this can cross 700 to 800 if the sales goes up. You may please note for the last 8 to 9 months, Praj was on range bound and now it is taking the next level. So let us, so it is wise to take this ride as well. Let's just look at the sales here. See the sales year on year, sales is up. Quarter on quarter, there is some fluctuations clear, and the shareholding patterns. FII is of 14.98, DA is of 8.41, 8.41. So everything is good. All in all, it's a good company with a good fundamental at right price, all the potential to go up. Now, to make money in the stock market, There are so many technical analyses, many fundamental principles, all we can give. But one 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 principle which we just discussed is the diversification to different industry is one of the key principle which we should not skip. Thank you all for watching the video.